Hi guys, and welcome back to Crypto News. I'm your host Crypto Chester, and today I am here to tell you about two very profitable AI coins that I have invested in, and I'm going to be holding throughout this lovely bull market. Okay, drop a like on the video, let me know in the comment section about your AI picks, but these are my two. Okay, so without further ado, let's get straight into this. So Fetchai is my number one pick at the moment. Okay, they're very reputable in the space. They're currently at a market cap of around $3.63 billion, and you can see here in the about section that they were founded in 2017. They launched an IEO on Binance, and basically Fetch.ai is an artificial intelligence lab building on open permissionless decentralized machine learning network with a crypto economy attached to it as well. Okay, so very interesting stuff there, and it's pretty much one of its kind at this point in time. Okay, and you can see very reputable, and they've been endorsed and been integrated with a lot of different very reputable brands here. Okay, talking Gemini, Meta, OpenAI, you name it, they've probably done some work with them at some point. You even see Microsoft in there as well. Okay, so yeah, definitely want to go check out, guys. As I said, this is still it's still in early stages. Essentially, being at $3.6 billion is pretty underpriced, especially in this current market. We're probably looking at a bit more of an explosion for this asset. Just seeing how AI coins just starting to really take over the market here, and this is definitely one that you should put in your portfolio to watch. Okay, obviously not financial advice, do your own research, all that good stuff. Now, in terms of the all-time high market cap for this asset, it was actually at $4.24 billion, and since then we've actually come down a little bit to 3.63, which is absolutely fine. It's just a little pullback here, but what we can sort of expect if we are looking at this from a charting perspective, this would be all-time high over at $3.42, currently being priced at around $1.44, and that basically means here that we could see really explosive price action to the upside here of another 139%, which is absolutely crazy. Okay, and that will take it all the way to all-time highs for this asset, so definitely something to watch there. 139% is not a small amount of money, obviously depending on your equity, but it's not a small amount of growth here. It's very bullish to see. Okay, so that is my first AI pick. Let me know what you think in the comment section of that, and while you're doing that, I'm going to jump over to the next pick, which is actually before we do that, I just want to talk to you guys quickly about a project called Flockers. They are in a pre-sale phase. They've just launched. They're actually a vote-to-earn economy, which is super niche. Never heard of something like this before. A vote-to-earn economy on a DAO. So a decentralized application is essentially decentralized, and that the community will vote on where the project's going to go. Key business decisions internally inside of the project, the community will be voting on as well. And the difference about Flock is that for voting, the users are actually going to get rewarded in the token for taking part. So pretty cool concept, not seen it before. Vote to earn economy, definitely think it's got legs. Go check it out, links are in the description. They've nearly raised $1 million, which shows that they're very reputable. They've got some very big backing as well, guys. This is definitely something that I think has got huge potential coming into the launch, and they have had all the audits done and everything like that. There's a lot of meat on the bone. Go check it out. Okay, now on to my second AI pick. My second AI pick is actually Renda, guys. Very interesting project this. It basically makes rendering rendering decentralized, in a sense, like rendering power with GPUs, and that's essentially what Renda is doing. And they basically created a GPU network where people can leverage people's unused power, okay, idle computing power, idle GPU power, okay, for decentralized rendering based solutions. Okay, so very interesting stuff. And we know with how tech is developing, the one thing that is growing here is the power to actually render things. Okay, so this is very, very apt, and I think this has got definitely huge potential in this space, and it is pretty much one of the leaders in the AI space as well at the moment, with a market cap of around 2.82 billion there, and it is slowly creeping up. Over on the day, we've seen a 2% gain, a 54% gain in the volume. Okay, and that is basically this lovely Renda network. So definitely want to go check out. Let me bring up the chart on this and we can break it down together in a bit more detail. And while I'm doing that, if you guys want to leave a comment, let me know what you think of Renda, whether you've bought Renda before or whether you're interested in buying Renda. Now let me tell you where I mean, right now is a perfect buying zone. Okay, we're sat on the end of this lovely level of support, which we have seen multiple times in terms of testing. It's very likely, with the current move of Bitcoin and the crypto markets in general, that we do see a breakout scenario coming through and coming into fruition. That breakout will be worth around 13%. We haven't really seen that much bullish momentum in comparison to the Bitcoin chart here. So this one is lacking behind right now, but as I said, it's still a very reputable coin, and it is a leader in the AI space here in terms of crypto here. So it's very interesting to see this thing is actually lacking right now. It's due a nice move to the upside. Okay, now if we are going to be looking at March highs, because obviously that's the height of the bull market so far, that will be all the way up at around $13.85 a coin. Okay, and for Renda to get back to that level is 154%, guys. Okay, so it's basically a 2.5x on your investment here, just by getting in at this level, right? So in answer to the question we were asking ourselves here, what would be a great time to get in? It's probably around this sort of area, guys. Obviously, go do your own research and all that good stuff there. But 154% here on the table is not a small amount of movement here if you were to buy this. Okay, so yeah, definitely something to really take a look at there. And if we are looking for more of a short-term position here, 13.68% is the most attractive thing on the table for me at this point in time. As you can see, we do have many trend lines in reference to that as to a very strong resistance point. If we are looking at this, strong resistance again, broke through it for that lovely level of support, but then again you can see this line is parallel to this one as well, and that will create another level as we have seen here previously. So maybe just a little bit shy of 13, maybe sort of talking around 12%. Let me know what you think of that in the comment section as well there, guys. And also, if you just look a more broader picture, we've got a trend line to the upside here, trend line to the upside here, and this lovely upward sloping channel which is still in action. Okay, we're setting higher lows after higher lows after higher lows, looking very bullish overall. Okay, so that would be the position. That's gonna be it for me. Thank you ever so much for watching, guys. Let me know what you think in the comment section of Renda, of Fetchai or Fetchai, and whether you guys are getting involved with it as well. And just before we end the video, guys, make sure you go check out Flockers. It's a very interesting concept, and I think they've really stumbled across gold here, and I'm very intrigued to see what this is going to do. So yeah, if you want to get involved with that pre-sale, you can. All the links are in the description. Thank you ever so much for watching, guys. That's gonna be it from me. Peace out, and I'll see you in the next one.